Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix screen rotation problems in Windows 11. First you need to tap on the start menu, go to setting, tap on display option, scroll down and come to scale and layout section. In the display orientation section, tap on here. You can see there are 4 options. You can try to one by one to get your preferred screen rotation. By default it will be set as landscape. Then after go to start menu, go to setting again, tap on Windows Update option. If you pause the Windows Update, just resume it, and if you see check for update kind of button in here, just tap on it, then it will be install the latest Windows Update to your computer. So it also help to fix the screen rotation related issues. Then after right click on the start menu again, go to device manager, double tap on display adapters, right click on your graphic driver, tap on update driver. Again tap on search automatically for drivers. If you see the device are already installed, right click, go back, tap on browse my computer for drivers, tap on this one, select your driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver. Again right click on the start menu, go to device manager. If you see sensor kind of menu in here, expand it, then after tap on HID sensor collection or similar thing, then after update all the drivers. Once you done, you can restart your computer. Then after go to search bar, type REGED, then after you can see registry editor, just tap on it, tap on yes. In here expand the HK local machine software, scroll down and expand Microsoft. Again scroll down, come to the Windows, expand it, expand the current version, expand auto rotation, tap on the none preserve. If there is a last auto request, double tap on it, make sure the value data set as 1 like this, then after tap on OK. And if you don't see option called sensor present or last orientation, you have to create it. First right click on it, go to new, tap on dword 32-bit value. Now type sensor present and hit enter. Double tap on it, set the value as 1, tap on OK. Again right click on it, go to new, go to dword 32-bit value. Now you need to type last orientation like this. Then after double tap on it, set the value as 1, tap on OK. Once it is done, you have to again go to HK local machine, expand it. Then after in this time go to system, go to current control set option, services, scroll down, come to the sensor service, expand it. Once you are tap on the sensor service, there is in the right side menu there is option keyword called start, double tap on it, make sure to set the value as 3 like this, then after tap on OK. So it will be work as automatic. If you see any kind of unwanted rotation in here, you can come to here, double tap on start. In this time you can change it to 4, then it will be disabled, then after tap on OK. Finally you can try to press the Ctrl and Alt and arrow keys in your keyboard. If you need to screen to up, you can press up key, or you need to rotate the screen into down, tap on down, or left right like this. So these are the methods you can try to fix Windows screen rotation related issues. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.